Time for part 2 of my video, How Juicily Awesome is Science, for the Thunderfoot competition, round 1. And I should preface this by saying that I did my honours thesis in particle physics, which was CP violation, why there is more matter than antimatter in the universe, and cosmology is actually a field pretty close to my heart. And I'm currently a physics, chemistry, and general high school science teacher, as well as an academic teaching physics at Sydney University. But I also happen to like the arts quite a lot, poetry, as you can see. So I thought that a way of handling this Genesis according to science discussion would be to write a poem the way I would have written Genesis if I'd been God. God, the author of the Bible, whatever, and just to see if I can make it beautiful yet scientifically accurate. So anyway, here we go. My reading of my draft of Chapter 1, Genesis according to science. The world is our place, it orbits the sun, traveling through space, it's where we have fun. How did it begin, this life that we know? Is it a sin for our knowledge to grow? Of course it's no sin to question the world, to send to the bin ideas that have hurled our minds into darkness. Religions should mark this, for science has brought our minds to the light and helped guide people to the path that is bright. The story will be a scientifically plausible history of the universe we see that will illuminate the mystery of our origins and the meaning of life, at least how to learn and minimize strife. Genesis according to science is the story's name. I tell you this tale, not for the fame, but to spread knowledge and wisdom, for that's what I'd like, a world of enlightenment that's happy and bright. Knowing our origins takes fields of research. We must learn by science to break from the perch of inherited myths from whatever our land. Let religion not impose mental bans. Cosmology, astrophysics, abiogenesis, evolutionary biology lead to the fields of history and anthropology, though never forget the influence of psychology, at least if we're to learn by scientific epistemology. So my plan is basically to read some verses of my poem and then discuss the actual science behind why I chose the poetry that I actually chose. And that's what I intend to do with what free time I have available to make these sorts of videos. Hopefully I'll put a little more effort into the special effects like I did with my Higgs boson talk. But anyway, hope that's enough to win me the prize. At least we'll soon find out, says this happy guy.